Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Nikki. So today, as you may know, we are in the month of March. So for all those who don't know, my birthday is actually March 29th. So I decided, like, what would I do? Seeing that my birthday is coming up, and as many of you know, we're in quarantine and so forth with the whole lockdown and restrictions in Jamaica. We can't do most things. So I decided that, hey, why wouldn't I film a birthday wish list, because there's some items that I've been seeing online that I really like. So I decided that I'll share them with you guys. So if you're interested in that, please stick around, ensure that you like, comment, share, and subscribe, and hit the post notification bell to be notified of the next video post. Alright. The first item that is on my wish list is perfume. I love different type of perfume, but I remember once, like 2 years ago, my husband had got me this Riri perfume that smells really great. So I went online and I saw it addition to some other Riri perfume where I know that it's great fragrance. So I saw one for $36.99, and I love her fragrance. They're light, nice. I don't like fragrance that are too strong. So hers is really light and nice and stuff. So, and it is affordable, under $50 US. So definitely a must get for me. So I may insert pictures as well so you can see. All right. And also I will be like, for the items that I found on Amazon, I would be like attaching the links to them in the description box below. And also I think I'm going to share my birthday wish list with the items I have on Amazon as well. Alright, so the next one is a blow dryer. So I've been asking this for years and years. Even when I was in Pixies, I've been asking for a blow dryer, but I don't know, no one seems to be buying me one. But I saw a Conair one online that's very nice. I love the ones that has the top part detachable, where you can easily blow dry your hair, and it's very affordable. Nothing there, as you say. As you might know, I'm a very affordable girl. I'm not buying anything past $50 US unless it's something life saving. So all of the items is under $50, probably like $30 or so. I'm not buying nothing there, so I'm not expect nobody to buy me nothing there unless you want to. But yeah, that is another item. So the next item is that many women like handbags. It's great to give idea. I was like to change for handbag, even just to go somewhere. So I saw this handbag online. I saw this brown one and I also saw this blue one. But what I like with the ones that I'm seeing online now is that they have more than one. So it's that I come with the purse, and I like handbags that come with the matching purse. So I like that as well. So that's a nice, great gift idea as well. And the next item on this list is the Anne Klein watch. So I saw it in a jewelry store out here in Half a Tree, and it was like $9,000. And then I saw the same exact watch online, and it was like less than $50. So definitely a must deal on Amazon. Has to get it because it's way more affordable. As I said, I saw it for almost like $9,000, $10,000 out here. I don't remember the exact price. Anyways, so the next thing is that I've suddenly grown a liking for hats. So I saw some felt hats online on Amazon, of course, very cheap and affordable. And I thought like, hey, why wouldn't I try one? So either the brown or the black, whichever one. Just for when I do go to kind of style myself and look different, because I'm going into that, I'm growing into that new phase where I want to do and try new things. All right. The next item on my list is a foot spa. So I've been seeing these foot spa online. It's very affordable. I think they're available in Jamaica as well. I don't know the cost of them in Jamaica, but the cost online is very affordable, so I know it can't be too far. And it's nice to have a foot spa, because as I've mentioned before, I like to do my at home spas, scrub my foot, do any little thing. If you go now, dear people, for do your thing, do your own thing at home, because as we say, we go through lockdown, and all of that. So a food spa is a nice gift to give for me and for anybody who's into those type of things. So the last item on my list is a ring light with a tripod. Oh god gosh. Oh good gosh, guys. You know how long me I asked for a ring light? Like from last year I want buy a ring light. And then my birthday I come up, I go buy it, but then me I say, you know when birthday I come up, why don't I ask for one ring light? I'm the type, as enough people love get surprised for them birthday, but I'm the type is like I would appreciate you doing a gift for me, but I think it's best for me to put out what I want. So when you give me a gift, me not feel disappointed. You understand? So when me tell you what I want, yeah, me go surprise say you buy it for me. But you don't have to buy probably the same exact one. But if you get me something within the category of what I want, I would appreciate it. DIY gifts are always cute. Little postcards are always cute. Those stuff are nice gift ideas. But that is just my opinion on what I want for my birthday. So as I said before, I'm gonna put the link with the description of every item that I found on Amazon so you guys can check it out. This is basically the end of the video, guys. Ensure you like it. You can comment anything and just tell me what you like me to do next on this channel. All right, keep good, stay safe, and enjoy.